Hello everyone, this is Juan from KenHub, and today we're going to be talking about the urinary system. The organs of the urinary system are located in the abdominal cavity, which we see here. Now looking deeper, we see that this system includes the kidneys, like we see here highlighted on this image of the abdomen, the ureters, which leave the kidneys and travel inferiorly within the abdomen, the urinary bladder, which we see in the lower pelvic region, and the urethra, which is located inferior to the bladder, and we can see if we change views to this cross-section of the pelvis, this image right here. These organs work together as a group to filter out excess fluid, the byproducts of metabolism, and other waste materials from your bloodstream, not to mention that they also help store, transport, and excrete urine. Now let's take a closer look at the organs of the urinary system, starting with the kidneys. Before we do that, I'm just going to move here to this image again, where we're going to highlight the kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located in the abdominal cavity. They are located in the retroperitoneum underneath the intraperitoneal organs, which have been removed in this illustration right here. Each kidney is invested in a thin connective tissue capsule known as you would expect, the renal fibrous capsule, which we see here. This protects the kidneys from damage or injury. Also seen from this view, at the superior pole of each kidney is an endocrine gland enclosed in a fibrous capsule and a cushion of perirenal fat called the suprarenal or adrenal gland, which we highlighted here. Now, these glands are not part of the urinary system and function instead as part of the endocrine system. Don't forget that. At the medial border of each kidney is the renal hilum, where the renal arteries, renal veins, and the renal pelvis enter and leave the kidneys. Note that the right kidney sits slightly lower than the left kidney, since it sits posterior inferior to the liver. And by posterior inferior, I mean basically underneath. Now that we looked at the anatomy of the kidneys, let's explore the function. The main function of the kidney is to eliminate excess bodily fluid, salts, and the byproducts of protein metabolism. This results in the production of urine that is transported out of the kidneys through the ureters, which happen to be the next structures that we're going to be talking about, the ureters. The ureters emerge from the kidneys posterior to the renal vessels. They are actually a continuation of the renal pelvis of the kidneys, which we just looked at in the renal hilum image. This video is not over yet. Continue watching now the full video at kenhub.com. We have lots more videos like this one available to our premium members on our website, not to mention all the fun quizzes, related articles, and atlas sections. So click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy.